In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock table headers in Confluence in just 5 minutes. If you're someone who works with tables frequently in Confluence, this feature can be incredibly useful because it keeps your column headers visible as you scroll through your data, making it easier to keep track of what each column represents. Let's dive right into it. To start, open up your preferred web browser. It doesn't matter whether you're using Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser, any of them will work just fine. Once you have your browser open, the next step is to search for Confluence. Simply type Confluence into your search engine of choice and click on the official Confluence website from the search results. If you already have a Confluence account, go ahead and log in using your credentials. If you're new to Confluence, don't worry, you can easily sign up for free by following the prompts on the website. Once you're logged in, navigate to the page editor in Confluence. Here, you'll have the ability to edit or create new pages as necessary. Next, in order to insert a table, you'll need to type the command table into your page. After typing this, a menu will appear with different options, and you'll want to select Table from this menu. This will insert a new table into your page that you can then edit as needed. With your table inserted, the next step is to add your column headers. You'll do this by typing directly into the first row of the table. These headers will serve as the titles for each section of data you'll be inputting into the table, so make sure they're clear and descriptive. Now comes the key part, locking those headers in place. For this, you'll need to access the Table Filter macro dialog box. Within this dialog box, look for the option to freeze the header row. Depending on your version or setup, this option might be labeled as Heading Row or Freeze Pane. Enable this feature and your headers will be locked in place. Once you've set your headers to be frozen, click Apply to save these settings. Then, you'll want to make sure all of your changes are finalized, so go ahead and publish or update your Confluence page. With that done, your table's header should now remain locked in place as you scroll through your data, making it much easier to navigate through larger tables and keep track of what's what. And there you have it, a quick and simple way to lock your table headers in Confluence, making your data more manageable and accessible. I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to leave a comment, and we'll be happy to help out. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more handy Confluence tips and tricks.